Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you 10 hot tips to take your floor cleaning business to the next level with Facebook advertising in 2023. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, or all of those. And we specialize in one thing only as well. We specialize in getting guys like you booked out with jobs on autopilot with our specialist digital marketing system. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many people as humanly possible, not just survive, but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside of our marketing program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Be patient with your Facebook ad sets. Whenever you make changes to Facebook ads, you reset the algorithmic learning period. So try to avoid tweaking or adjusting your ad sets, particularly in the early stages of a campaign, to allow them to optimize effectively. This is something that has always been advisable, and it seems like this will be more important than ever in 2023. Monitor ad set delivery to ensure that your results are improving over time, and stick to 20% scaling every couple of days to maintain optimal performance. If you need to scale faster, duplicate the ad set to experiment with different tactics. So again, when it comes to running Facebook ads, if you're working with us, you don't have to worry about this because we do all this for you. This is what we specialize in. If you're attempting to run Facebook advertising yourself for your floor cleaning business, let me give you like one tip. Once you've switched the ads on and you've set the whole thing up, do not touch it for 2, 3, 4 days, because every time you make a change, even if you put like a comma or like an exclamation mark in a sentence, even if you put the word "the" in on the ad, or like literally do the smallest change, it completely resets all of the learning that the Facebook algorithm's done, and it has to start that process all over again. Also, all of the social proof is completely deleted as well. So any comments, likes that you've got, it completely gets removed. We've had clients come to us before after 2 or 3 days, 4 days, and they've said, hey, the ad's going amazing, but I noticed like a typo with the ad. And we always advise them, look, your marketing campaign with us is making you a ton of money. It's working, it's dialed in. The algorithms figured out who to target with this ad to bring you the best results. We're managing it every day. If we make even the tiniest change, all of that learning, all of these amazing results, all of that money that you're making will effectively stop, and that process will have to start over again. And not only that, like you've got loads of amazing comments from like your current customers telling you about how amazing your business is, and that's getting more and more new customers to sign up with you. If we make that change, it's all going to get deleted. All of that comments, all of those comments, all of those likes. In the early stages of the campaign, you really need to give it 3 or 4 days before making any changes. And then once it is dialed in and once it is working, you should only really make changes when you really need to. So like if the performance drops off, sure thing, then you need to make a change. If there's something like fundamentally wrong, like for example, you're accidentally targeting the wrong zip code, then obviously you need to fix that. But outside of that, you really only want to change things when you absolutely need to. Try out Advantage Plus campaigns. This is something new. Advantage Plus campaigns are an automated campaign type where Facebook optimizes campaign settings to maximize returns. They're essentially a streamlined conversion campaign that reduce manual inputs for advertisers and save them time. Advantage Plus will also run campaigns specifically for catalog ads and app installs and automatically optimize creative assets. Obviously, like app installs, you're not selling an app, you're a floor cleaning business, and you're not selling clothes, so catalog ads don't really apply. But where these kind of ads, Advantage Plus campaigns, work best is, let's say you're running ads to your website, you've got the pixel installed and you're going for like a conversion type campaign. This can really help you to get better results with that. And I think this has come about a lot from the whole iOS 14 thing, where, you know, the whole cookie thing and the privacy thing with Apple phones came into play and really screwed a lot of advertisers up in terms of not being able to like track conversions and things like that. I feel like Advantage Plus campaigns are things to help with of that. When you work with us at Ads Grow Business to do your marketing for your floor cleaning business, if you hire us, we run ads to Messenger and we build you an AI chatbot that talks to your customers for you and actually generates booking requests and inquiries inside Messenger on Facebook. So we don't send people to your website or anything like that for this very reason, because it gets very complicated, especially now with the latest privacy rules. We get over that by keeping people inside Messenger, keeping people inside Facebook. And what's great about that is like, you don't have to have that like whole hassle of like following up with a lead, manually calling them or texting them. Basically, like the inquiry comes into Facebook. We've got automated software which is going to do some of the heavy lifting, but outside of that, it means that you as a business owner can effectively have an instant conversation with the customer, give them a price and get them booked right in, right there, without even having to pick up the phone. You can do it right then and right there in Messenger. So it's super efficient, super easy, super convenient. And it gets over all of these issues with like sending people to websites, Facebook pixels, which is like a code that you need to install on the website. That being said, if you are doing your advertising yourself, if you are working with somebody, another company, and you're running advertising to your own website, then this Advantage Plus campaign could be something worth looking at. Use micro and nano influencers. One of the social media trends for 2023 that will increase in popularity is using micro and nano influencers to promote campaigns. Having smaller follower accounts with only people that share the same interests as they do. Nano and micro influencers have a higher rate of success when promoting service-based businesses. It's more likely for their small communities to resonate with them and share the same interests, being bound to buy those products and services they are advertising for. When you partner with influencers to increase brand awareness and sales, make sure they are really focused on your niche, have a great ROI, and don't have fake followers. Otherwise, those fake accounts will become part of your followers and you wouldn't want that. So I'm just reading from the slides there, but ultimately what we're saying here is if there's someone in your community, in your city, in your town, who's a bit of an influencer that could cross over into your industry, hiring them or leveraging them could be a real help for your floor cleaning business. For example, let's say there is a local pet shop and the woman or the guy that owns that pet shop in your town is really active on social media and they give loads of tips to like, taking care of your pets and showcase loads of products on their YouTube channel, on their Instagram reels and stuff like that. And they have loads of followers and a lot of them are like located in your actual town and city. Then that's somebody that you might want to leverage, right? You could say to them, hey, if you like promote me on your Instagram profile, I'll give you like a free carpet cleaning once a month. I'll come and I'll do your house for free. It's really only going to take up your time and a bit of chemicals or whatever to do that once a month. And in return, let's say that person, that pet shop owner, posts like a video recommending your carpet cleaning business, and all of the pet owners in your town see that. Of course, they probably have issues with their carpet, what with having pets. Suddenly, that person promoting your business, someone that all the pet owners in your town or city look up to and trust their opinion of, that could lead to you getting tons and tons of new customers, right? So leveraging micro influencers, small influencers in local areas could be a great way to grow your floor cleaning business in 2023. Number 9, use user-generated content everywhere you can. User-generated content is arguably one of the most powerful forms of advertising these days. Why? Because it's a real person that is either showcasing or reviewing your service. You can always ask your customers to shoot a 15 to 30 second video for you, perhaps offer them a discount off their next purchase if they do. Once you have the content, use it for ad creative. The beauty of receiving user-generated content is that you can repurpose it for other mediums such as TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, or any service that supports video. So basically what we're talking about here is like testimonials, customer testimonials. So again, you could do, say, an email marketing campaign and say, hey, like if you send me like a quick 10-second video of like talking about how great our services are or recommending our services, you'll get 25% discount off your next carpet cleaning business. Or you could run a competition. Send us your best videos talking about our services and how we've helped you in the last 12 months. Best video is going to win free carpet cleaning for 3 months or something like that. And then people send you these videos, they're shot on your phone, and you can use that content to promote your floor cleaning business, right? You can run ads, you can put it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, you name it. You can do email marketing with it, text message marketing, attach it to a text message with the video, run ads, etc, etc, etc. There's nothing better than having a recommendation from a current customer. There's nothing better than having a testimonial and somebody actually saying, these guys are amazing, I highly recommend them. And so you put some money behind that in an ad and you're going to generate loads and loads of customers. So that's definitely a great hack. Ask your customers to make you a quick 10-second video talking about your services to entice people to do that. People are very lazy, right? People are also very, very busy. So to actually get someone to do that, you need to give some kind of like really, really juicy incentive. Could be like a free carpet clean, could be like a big discount, could be like a free bottle of some kind of chemical, whatever. The incentive needs to be good. And I think it's completely worthwhile giving a great incentive as well, because that content could make you literally thousands and thousands of dollars in new business. So it's worth its weight in gold. And number 10, my final tip for 2023 is to hire us to run your digital marketing for your floor cleaning business in 2023. As I said at the start of this video, we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. We work with thousands of different floor cleaning businesses all over the world, and we've helped them to take their floor cleaning business to the next level. We specialize in running Facebook ad campaigns for carpet cleaners, tile cleaners, hardwood floor cleaners. We've got the code cracked. Like, we literally have it cracked. It's a guaranteed service. It's super affordable, and you literally don't have to do anything at all. We do everything for you. You just sit back, follow up on the inquiries, book the jobs in, do the work, and get paid. And it allows you to focus on what you do best, which is running your floor cleaning business, and not have to like be kind of scratching your head trying to figure out all this marketing stuff every day. And ultimately, as a business owner, like, if you really want to take your business to the next level, if you want to be a multi-truck operation, if you want to make a lot of money and you want to do it in a way where like you don't go crazy, you don't go insane, you don't burn out, you need help. You need to leverage other people to be able to take your business to the next level, so that you can focus on being a business owner and actually running the business. So hiring somebody like us allows you to kind of free up your time, allows you to not have to like worry about where the next job's coming from. It's going to allow you to make an awful lot of money. I would recommend that you scroll through the videos here. There are some interviews with some of our past clients and current clients as well. Go and watch those videos. It's going to allow you to see exactly, you know, the kind of life-changing results that we've had with floor cleaning businesses all over the world. Highly recommend that you go and look me up on Facebook, John Williams. Go and add me as a friend. Go and check out some of the results we've been getting on our social media channel. Follow us on Instagram. Follow the business page on Instagram. Follow us on Facebook. Check it out. You're going to see some of the testimonials. I just talked about that kind of stuff on one of these earlier slides. You're going to see some of the recommendations and testimonials from floor cleaning businesses and carpet cleaners that we're working with all over the world. You're going to see some of those testimonials and videos, and you, like I say, you're going to get an idea of the incredible results that we can get for you about how we can literally change your life and completely change your business. And it's really important that you understand how passionate I am as the company owner and how passionate the team is about working with guys like you. Nothing makes me happier, nothing makes our team happier than knowing that we've had a positive impact on someone's life and someone's business with our program. To know that I've created this marketing system and that we're actually improving businesses, improving people's lives, putting food on the table, putting a roof over so many people's heads with this program, it really, really means the world to me. And it gets me out of bed in the morning and it gives me a purpose in life. So the more people we can help, the more floor cleaning businesses we can work with, the better. And that's why I started this YouTube channel, to spread the word, to spread the message, to try and get in front of more floor cleaning businesses, to get more opportunities to help more people. So yeah, number 10 on this list, give us a call, get in touch with us, let us help you to take your floor cleaning business to the next level this year. Head down to the description below, all the links are there, all the links are on the YouTube channel. Shoot us a message, we'd love to hear from you. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us, head down to the description below where you'll find all the links and all the information to book a call so we can discuss taking your floor cleaning business to the next level with our specialist program. See you on the next video. Cheers.